Good afternoon. This is Elston with Lifestyle Evolved. I got a couple articles for you today to check out. This first one is coming from Cointelegraph, and it is titled DBS Wins Regulatory Approval in Singapore for Crypto Payment Services. So it says here, starting Monday, DBS Bank's crypto exchange will start operating, allowing institutional investments to trade Bitcoin. Typically, when I see an article or a story and it's talking about trading Bitcoin, I kind of just I see the name Bitcoin as the entire crypto space. But since Bitcoin is the OG and it has that first mover advantage, it's usually the easiest way to say to trade cryptocurrency. But I would assume that what's going to happen is going to be probably a plethora of crypto assets that they're going to allow. So let's read the article here. Singapore's largest bank, DBS Bank, has expanded its scope of supported cryptocurrency services by scoring another regulatory approval. DBS Bank's brokerage arm, DBS Vickers, has received in-principle approval from the Monetary Authority of Singapore to provide digital payment token services as a payment institution. The company officially announced this on Thursday. The approval is granted under Singapore's Payment Services Act, paving the way for the DBSV's payment license. Once licensed, the firm will be able to directly support asset managers and companies trading in digital payment tokens through DBS Bank's cryptocurrency-enabled exchange, DBS Digital Exchange, DDEX. Crazy. So let's continue here. In conjunction with the MAS approval announcement, DBS also disclosed that the DDEX will begin operating 24/7 starting next Monday, allowing investors to trade on the platform at any time. The exchange initially operated only during Asian trading hours, the company said. It launched in late 2020. DDEX supports trading of major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin Cash, targeting only institutional investors. So there you go. They're going to start with, four of the blue chips, and I'm sure they'll probably expand from there. It continues here. I don't know how to say that name. Let's try it. Ingwaksit Moe Group, ahead of capital markets at DBS Bank, said that the company has been seeing growing demand among corporate and asset managers for digital payment token services. This could add to DDEX's volumes in the coming months, and coupled with DDEX's going operational round the clock, help accelerate growth for DDX, he noted. I have no doubt that their growth is going to explode because it's the future. Let's also check out this other article coming from Cointelegraph. And it says here, Chilean peso stablecoin goes live on Steller network. Chilean peso pegged stablecoin CLPX launched on Steller this week and is hoping to gain traction in the remittance and copper markets. A new stablecoin pegged to the value of the Chilean peso is now live on the open source Steller Payments network, but it is yet to prove popular with users. Chile-based firm CLPX Inc. launched what is described as the first ever Chilean peso pegged stablecoin, dubbed the CLPX token. According to the public ledger on Steller Expert, since the launch on Monday, the stablecoin has seen limited volume of just $12,689 from a total of 12,902 trades. CLPX was designed to provide a cheaper alternative to traditional peso-based remittances, with the firm utilizing the Steller network, as it incurs substantially lower fees and wire transfers or remittance services. It almost costs nothing to send money on the Steller network. It's fractions of a penny. Goes on to continue to say here, the new CLPX token is set to streamline remittances and make it easy for investors worldwide to use the copper-linked Chilean peso as a hedge. CLPX also has an eye on offering international exposure to Chile's booming copper market, which has been a critical driver of economic recovery amid the global pandemic. The Latin nation is currently the world's leading copper producer by a significant margin, with China being the main buyer of Chile's red metal. While the project has talked up its strong ambitions, it is unclear how well the stage is set for it to perform. Apart from the low volume, CLPX Inc. is owned by a relatively unknown firm named KB Trading, which has no listed partnerships on its website. While there has been a growing trend in Latin America and Spanish-speaking countries working towards crypto adoption following El Salvador's Bitcoin law, the regulatory landscape has been fairly quiet concerning Chile. In late May, Chile's National Electricity Coordinator announced that Renova initiative, which will use blockchain technology to track and record the renewable energy usage behind the nation's copper production. The Central Bank of Chile has been researching the topic of blockchain and central bank digital currencies since 2018 as part of its strategic plan for 2018 to 2022. In 2019, Mario Marcel, the governor of the Central Bank of Chile, published a research report that stated the central bank was looking at a Chilean CBDC for wholesale adoption and cross-border payments, but it also noted concerns over infrastructure costs, cybersecurity, and anonymity at that time. This is interesting because there is a lot that is planned for 2022. You can look up ISO 20022, and it has a lot of wording in that about supply chains and blockchain and digital currency, all within building the infrastructure around the world. So I find it curious that they have a plan here to look into and research into central bank digital currencies with a plan, with creating a strategic plan between 2018 to 2022. So I think there's also going to be a massive worldwide plan to streamline new plumbing systems for our financial infrastructure as a whole, which is going to make everything a lot more efficient. And we will see how all of this transpires over the coming years. So that's a little news for today. If you had any questions, just leave me a comment in the comment section. I'll check it out and answer your question. Have a good day.